Okay, now here we are with my Goldbug 2 metal detector. I wanted to show you a couple things about the settings and about locating a target. I set this rock here on a little bare patch that I cleared down to bedrock. I got a signal there, and we're hoping that it's a good target and not a piece of lead shot or something like that. Now with the Goldbug 2, really the best coil to use is the 6.5 inch, which is the smallest coil they make. And then as far as the settings go, I like to run in boost and with the sensitivity maxed out. And you'll get an ear for it after a while of, not only will you get an ear for it, you'll get an ear full because it makes the machine run really noisy. But if you just slow down your coil sweep a little bit, you can tell the difference between hot rocks and a metal target. And you should always use headphones, but you won't hear what I'm doing if I put the headphones on. So here goes. I'm turning the volume on. You want to get your threshold not like that, because you'll miss those faint signals, and you don't want to turn it off either. You want to just to where you get a little bit of chattering. Okay, so now we got that set. We're maxed out on the sensitivity. We're in boost mode, and our mineralization switch is set to normal. And we turn the volume up a little bit. First thing we need to do is ground balance. And as we come up, I'm hearing a little bit of noise, so I need to adjust the ground balance. When you come up, if you hear noise, you have to turn the knob clockwise. And if you hear the noise on the downswing, when you're pumping the coil up and down, you have to turn counterclockwise. And now I'm kind of hearing the noise in both directions. That means I'm balanced. Okay, now here is where I brushed away all the loose shaly stuff, and I got a pretty good zip. So I'm going to bust into this a little bit and see if I can't capture the target in my scoop. I'm on a bit of a slope here, so if I disappear from view, then somebody will have to come finish digging this for me. Want to be careful not to let the material slide downhill with all the other loose stuff, or it'll be even that much more difficult to recover. And oh, that's a better signal now. I'm getting closer to it. Not yet. Okay, whatever it is in the scoop. So I start pouring about half the material in my hand and leaving the other half in the scoop. And wherever the signal is, you get rid of the rest. Now you don't just go throwing it off into the yonder. You want to put it where you can sweep over it afterwards in case you actually had two targets. Now it should be in my hand. I never sweep my hand over because on faint targets, just the salt in your hand will set off the detector. So that can fool you. And there we have it, about a number 9 birdshot. Thanks for watching.